हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल संजना सेठ। आज मैं आपके साथ ये लुक शेयर करूंगी। दिस इज़ अ पॉयला बोईशाख स्पेशल लुक। गेट रेडी विथ मी काइंड ऑफ with very simple product and most importantly summer friendly look. I don't think that my face is looking cakey. I have used very minimal product. Just I have played with the smoky kajal eyes and the blush game. Apart from that, things are very easy to create. So let's see how I created this look. फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, माई मोस्ट ट्रस्टेड गुड वाइब्स का रोज़ हिप सेरम। कोई भी मेकअप हो, कहीं भी जा रहे हैं, चाहे वो विंटर हो या समर, आई ऑलवेज ट्रस्ट दिस सेरम। क्या होता है गर्मी में, यू थिंक आपका फेस और ज़्यादा ऑयली हो जाएगा, बट दैट इज़ नॉट द केस। आप अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज नहीं करेंगे, देन योर मेकअप विल टेंड टू मूव अवे एंड आपका फेस में बहुत ज़्यादा स्वेटिंग भी होगा। सो ये मॉइस्चराइज़र को मैं जस्ट पैट इन करके लगाऊंगी बिफोर स्टार्टिंग एनीथिंग, सो दैट मेकअप से पहले ये मॉइस्चराइज़र बहुत अच्छे से स्किन में सीप इन हो जाए। नेक्स्ट आई विल मूव ऑन टू माई ब्राउज एंड आई विल यूज़ दिस न्यू प्रोडक्ट। ये मुझे बर्थडे गिफ्ट में मिला है। सो ये है मार्स का वाओ ब्राउ इन द शेड डार्क ब्राउन। ये बहुत ही, इसका फेल टिप जो है बहुत फाइन लाइंस देता है ब्राउ में। इफ़ यू आर समवन न्यू जो अपने ब्राउ गेम में एंटर कर रहे हैं, दिस इज़ अ मस्ट आई विल से। इसके वन साइड में यू विल गेट द प्रोडक्ट, अदर साइड you will get the spoolie. This spoolie is also as in it works well. So for the brows, मैं जैसे यूजुअली करती हूँ, I'll just move up my brows and then this product is so fine that it will not make your brows cakey or so, still make it very good and precise. See, it doesn't takes up much of a time to do the brow even. Usually thicker pencil होने से क्या होता है कि brows कहीं पे आपको पैची हो जाएगा and all, but it doesn't make that. So I'll just pull it down the brow now and that is done. I'll quickly redo for my other brow. Next, now that my brows are done, I'll quickly move on to primer. For primer, I am using this Mars का Zero Primer. This is a silicone based primer. As you can see, ये बहुत ज़्यादा a little goes a long. ये जैसे all other silicone primer को use करते हैं, just I'll warm this up between my finger and will pat it in my problematic area, that is around my nose. And whatever is left in my hand, I'll use that in the other places. But do not rub, just simply pat things on your face. Rub करने से silicone primer में जो problem होता है, that is it will start rolling up. So nobody wants that. So I'll just pat the primer and will let it seep in for a minute or so. So next I'll move on to another birthday gift. जो next step है, that is foundation. For foundation I'll use this new product, that is Tir का foundation and I am in the shade 27N Camel. ये बहुत ही controversial foundation है and इसका shade ढूंढना तो और एक controversy है. So usually if you are new, जो अभी तक Tir foundation नहीं जानते, you can see I have not yet used this. इसका मैं ये सेफ्टी लॉक ओपन करती हूँ एंड इट हैज़ अ कुशनी थिंग इन इट। इसी में ये प्रोडक्ट है। सो लेट्स सी, ट्राई करते हैं ऑन कैमरा। जस्ट पैट इन द स्पंज दैट इज़ देयर विथ इट एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इज़ द कवरेज। रियली द कवरेज इज़ वेरी गुड and it actually matches my skin tone. बहुत सारा वीडियो and रील्स वगैरह देखने के बाद we have ordered this. ये भी गिफ्ट है from रितु and इसका कवरेज भी बहुत अच्छा है and बहुत जन कहते हैं it oxidizes, but मैं एक बार इसको यूज़ की हूँ, but doesn't felt like it oxidizes a lot. If you prep your skin well, it will not oxidize as much as you expect. So अभी इस फाउंडेशन को मैं बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लेती हूँ and then will come back. So now that I have blended my foundation, I'll move on to a powder, क्योंकि ये पॉयला बोईशाख गेटअवे लुकआउट है, so इसमें आपको पाउडर बहुत अच्छे से करना होगा. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, सो इफ़ यू डू नॉट सेट योर फेस वेल, कितना भी अच्छा फाउंडेशन यूज़ कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो, इट विल मूव. सो आई विल टेक दिस पाउडर एंड विल सेट अंडर माई आईज एरिया फर्स्ट, क्योंकि मैं कोई कंसीलर यूजिंग दिस टिटिर फाउंडेशन, एंड एक तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है. यू डू नॉट हैव टू यूज़ एनी एडिशनल कंसीलर और एनीथिंग. जस्ट दिस फाउंडेशन हैज़ कवर्ड माई फेस very well, and I will pat in the powder in my most, जहाँ से मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सीबम प्रोडक्शन होता है, ऑयल आता है, दैट इज़ अराउंड माई टी जोन. सो इस एरिया में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से पाउडर करूँगी. देन आई विल मूव ऑन टू द शैडोज़. सो फॉर द शैडोज़ आई विल यूज़ दिस नायका का क्वाड पैलेट इन द शेड नाइट आउट. आप कोई भी पैलेट यूज़ कर सकते हैं जिसमें आई जस्ट नीड ए ट्रांजिशन कलर, क्योंकि मैं एक सिंपल कॉटन साड़ी पहनी हूँ, वो इसके अराउंड ही ये मोस्टली ब्लैक है. सो आई विल जस्ट यूज़ अ ट्रांजिशन color from here. With any eyeshadow brush, just will pick up this transition shade, dusting off the excess. I'll just highlight my crease area. See, I have not just added any color, very lightly I'll just highlight my crease area. Next I'll take any dark shade that is there in it and will after dusting off the excess, I will pat this slightly around the outer corner of my eye, and then simply blend it in. That is it, nothing much, because this mostly for Poila Boishakh we go out during the daytime, and even for the dinner if we go out, as it is because of the summer heat, we do not want a cakey makeup also. So just this much, a simple blending with two colors. I'll quickly repeat the same for my other eye. So for eyes, I'll not go with eyeliner, so I'll use a jet black kajal, and this is Miss Claire's kajal, one stroke kajal. This is very jet black, and for any Bengali occasion or so, I think kajal eyes suits well on a Bengali girl, so I'll use that and I'll draw a thick kajal in my lower lid, a very thick and bold. Any kajal will do, but I think this Miss Claire one is very jet black. Even a Rene one is also good. As of now I am using this one, a thick bold eye I'll draw. Just extending a little bit from the outer edge, tight lining my inner lid, and also I'll tight lining my upper eye as well, upper eyelid as well. So that's it. I'll quickly repeat the same for my other eye. So as you can see, I have make a bold liner, not eyeliner, with any kajal. You can do it with eyeliner, but I'm not comfortable using eyeliner for my lower lid. Next I'll move on to mascara, and my trusted mascara, that is Maybelline Colossal mascara. This is waterproof. Obviously use waterproof for the summer season, otherwise it might happen ki it starts bleeding. So I'll just wiggle the one around my eyelashes and coat it outwards. You can see it quickly makes a difference. My right eye and my left eye, you can see how much difference it creates. Similarly, I'll use a second coat, same by wiggling your lashes. If you are not willing to wear fake lashes, which is I do not feel comfortable always wearing fake lashes, just use a quick and thick coat of mascara, it will work same. Next, I'll just quickly repeat the same for my other eye. So next, I'll add a little bit of color to my lower lash again. I'm using this K Beauty's eyelash eyeshadow stick. I use it as a kajal most of the time. So I'll just add very little to my outer corner of the eye. It adds a little bit hint of color which matches to my outfit. That is it. My eye makeup is done. Now I'll quickly move on to blush. So for blush, I have two options. One is Mars का ये blush hour in the shade dusk, and another is ये Posh Beauty का blush है. ये एक jelly blush है. Let's see कौन सा मैं use करती हूँ. Both of these two are gifted, but I have not used even. This is leaking a little bit. Maybe ये जो गर्मी है और इतना दिन से ये सब आके पड़ा हुआ है. I have not, मतलब मैं वीडियो करूँगी करके करना नहीं हो रहा था. So this blush is very good. You can see this is a jelly like texture that you know you'll get. Not very highly pigmented or anything, but it gives a very subtle and very comfortable to wear. मैं अभी तक use नहीं की हूँ. See, जो लोग use किए हैं they do tell. So I'll first put on this blush a little bit around my temple area, and I usually in summer I try to do a sunset blush kind of look by using two blushes at a time. That gives a ombre kind of look. So for the first blush that I used is this Posh Beauty. So next I'll take this Mars wala blush, and this is a liquid blush but not very heavy on skin. So I'll take a very little bit, see, just a minute amount of blush, and we'll just warm this up on my palm, and we'll pick up with the finger and use it on my cheek, the fuller part of the cheek. And again जो बचा हुआ है उसको मैं एक sponge या brush जिससे भी आप comfortable हो, I'll use this and will blend everything on it. See, so you can see a little bit of a ombre feel and effect of the blush. Not too cakey, not too heavy on the face, because this entire makeup look will be very subtle and a go-to look kind of. So I'll quickly repeat the same process for my other side. So for lips, I'll use this NY Beka liquid lipstick in the shade Snuggle Secret. ये बहुत ही एक समर के लिए तो मैं कहूँगी एक न्यूड कलर दैट इज़ वेरी कंपैटिबल विथ एवरी स्किन टाइप, every skin undertone, and it goes with every kind of color that you are wearing. So I'll wear this lipstick because overall the makeup is very subtle, so I'll keep the lips also very subtle. So the lips are also done. I will quickly put on some accessories and do my hairs, and then we'll come back. So I have put on a few jewelry. These are all handmade jewelry. I got it from Shantiniketan, and these bangles as well. For hair, you can go for any kind of bun, or you can simply put a tie pony. But as you can see, I have a lot of flyaways in my hair. So to fix those flyaways, I'll use this Movie X on the go fly. This is a very handy dandy product, kind of a mascara thing, but it fixes your flyaway in a zip. See, I have flyaways here and there. I'll just use this to fix my hair. Little product does a wonder to your hair. And now I will just do a tight pony kind of situation here, and see all my flyaways hair got fixed. So the full makeup look is done. Very simple and very easily, with very simple product. I have not used any very high end. Apart from the foundation, you can skip the foundation, use any BB cream and get this look and enjoy your Poila Boishakh.